often we wait for the big success to feel proud, a major award, a perfect assignment, a public recognition. But real growth rarely looks that dramatic. It's quiet. It happens in the small moments when you submit a journal even through you were exhausted, or when you show up to a webinar even though your mind was somewhere else. Those are victories too, and they deserve to be seen and celebrated. Celebrating small wins isn't about pretending everything is perfect. It's about acknowledging that you're still moving forward, and if it's just one step at a time, progress is progress, no matter the size. And when you notice and appreciate those little moments, finishing a paragraph, asking a question in the group chat, reflecting honestly in your journal, you remind yourself that you are growing slowly, quietly, beautifully.